Hello everyone. I hope you and your loved ones are safe and well. Today we'll be discuss about important topic success. First we need to know the definition of success. Success is not only about having more money and a higher social status. Success also manifests is being less stressed, less worried and more peaceful and happy life. And another definition is success is the state achieved after the accomplishment of this target in life. Success is a wide term which could either mean success on a national level or an individual level. Today we will be discussing success on individual level. The reason is that success on individual level leads to success on the national level. In next will we come to know about what are the steps of success. The step to success is aim, hard work, mindset, focusing, motivations, inspirations, management, utilizing potentials, taking risk. Now we will go one by one. Aim. The first and the most important step towards success in your aim. Aim depends on how big target set in your life. The basis of success start by setting targets. It is the root of success. These targets are the main reasons of which a person lives every day of his life. Next, hard work. In order to achieve success in life, you need to put in a lot of efforts and hard work. Without hard work and determinations, there is no success. There are no shortcut to success. Next, mindset. You must develop a mindset which depicts your struggle for achieving your target in life. It shows your attitude towards life. It shows how firmly you face the challenges you encounter in your pursuit towards your target. Next, focusing. Focusing is also another important key to success. It's depend on how sharply you focus on your targets, overlooking the obstacle in your path. Obstacles are those dreadful things you see when you take your eyes off your target. Next, motivation. Motivation is the main driving force behind an actions. Motivation is the reason why a person wants to be successful. When it comes to motivations, knowing is not as important as doing. Certainly, you need some intelligence, knowledge, base study skills, and time management skills. But if you don't have motivations, you won't get far. Next, inspiration. The word inspire means to influence someone by example. The reason why inspirations is important for success is that is stress to actions. Different people get motivated differently, but most motivations achieved through inspirations. It it gains you for further advancements. It motivates you achieve your targets, your aims and your goals and your ambitions. Next, managing your life. It's depend on how you manage everything in your life, how you develop a good routine, how you manage time. You need to plan every day of your life. You need to set a timetable which would help you in developing a good routine. Next, living up to your potentials. To be successful, you need to utilize your underlying potentials that God has gifted you. It remote control of your life is in your hand. You must use your potential in such a way that when you die, you must have these satisfactions that you have lived up to your potentials in positive manner. Next, taking risk. In life, you need to take risk. The context in which risk taking is being considered here is about jeopardized you against in your achievement of something more valuable. The best things about taking risk is that if pays of them, it's quite beneficial for you, and even if you fail, you learn a lot from it. The most successful person is one who is not afraid to for taking risk at the right time. Next, the real success. The real success is that which would help you not only in this life but also in this life after death. Real success is achieved when the targets are set in accordance with the principle of our religion so that God is satisfied by us. Our success should be such that it lives on everlasting impact on the world so that it remembers us with respect and honor. After our death, our name lives till eternity. So, in the order to be successful, you need to take this important step so that you can achieve your targets in life. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.